Today, only the ruins of Plant 12 remain. Located between Totleben Boulevard and Academic Ivan Geshov Boulevard in Sofia, the building is one of the last surviving reminders of the city's industrial past. Its story began in 1907 with the establishment of an engineering workshop serving the Bulgarian army. Over the following decades, the enterprise underwent several reorganizations and name changes. During the war years, it was primarily engaged in the maintenance and repair of military vehicles and equipment. After World War II, the facility became known as Plant 12 and later as Sredets. During the socialist era, it grew into one of Bulgaria's major manufacturers of gasoline engines and became part of the Balkancar industrial group, one of the country's largest engineering enterprises. Following the political and economic changes of the 1990s, production gradually declined. Machinery was sold off, operations ceased, and the vast industrial site began attracting the attention of property developers. In 2006, the state's majority stake in Balkancar Sredets was privatized. Shortly afterward, it became known that companies associated with brothers Kirill and Georgy Domushiev were among the investors involved in the project. Just a year later, plans were unveiled for a massive mixed-use development valued at approximately 500 million euros. However, the global financial crisis of 2008 brought the project to a halt before construction could begin. In 2015, the former factory site was acquired by the Turkish company Garanti Koza. Their vision was even more ambitious: residential towers, commercial space, office buildings, and an artificial lagoon in the heart of Sofia. But this project never moved beyond the planning stage. Financial difficulties faced by the developer eventually stalled its investments, leaving the abandoned factory untouched once again. In 2025, a new proposal emerged from the internationally renowned architectural firm SOM, Skidmore, Owings Merrill. The concept envisions a modern mixed-use district featuring residential buildings, offices, retail areas, and public spaces, while preserving the historic factory hall as a venue for cultural events and community activities. Whether this latest vision will finally become reality remains to be seen. For now, the remains of Plant 12 continue to stand as a reminder of more than a century of industrial history in the heart of Sofia.